Something I've never done, an unboxing video. But this is a new firearm. I haven't seen any videos out on it yet, so I thought I'd do one real quick and show you guys what comes in the box and what comes with this gun when you get it from ARMSCOR. So let's get right into it. So Rock Island Armory, ARMSCOR makes this. It's a 22 long rifle, basic cardboard box. No big deal here. Instruction manual. And a tool, couple magazines, and a lock. Let's set those to the side. Nothing else in this box. Let's get this box out of the way. And let's take a look here. Rock Island Armory, Ziploc bag. We've got our instructions for it in there. All right, what comes in here? We've got an Allen wrench. We have a tool. I'm sure this is to take the buffer off the back, the tool that comes with it here. Really nice that they do include that. And we have a magazine. This is 10 round magazines that come with it. Is that metal? Those are metal magazines on there. So you get two 10 round magazines along with the gun. Now these are proprietary magazines that they make with this gun, the TM22, and it is in the 18-inch barrel. There are a 15 round magazine and a 25 round magazine, but I can't find any. Oh, let's pull these out of here. So I can't even find the actual magazines for it, the 10 round magazines. I can't find the 10, the 15, or the 20. So here's what you're basically going to get. Let me just do a close-up on the gun here for you so you guys can see it. Let's see, I see them do this online all the time on their videos so that you guys can get a really good look at the firearm. So this is an all-metal firearm, and it's made with 7075 aluminum, airplane grade aluminum. This whole thing's made out of. And it feels like, this thing feels like it's gonna weigh close to 7 pounds just holding it. It's fairly hefty, I gotta say that. The flat trigger, look at that flat trigger. Myself, I like flat triggers, so I'm definitely gonna like that on it. The buttstock, now the buttstock is an AR style buttstock, so you can change it out with any buttstock that you have. There's a Picatinny rail on the top to accept scopes, red dots, whatever it is you want to put on it. You have a free-floating aluminum handguard on the front. These are M-locks all the way around, so you can attach whatever you want to it. And the front of it here is threaded. There we go. So it's threaded, so if you have a suppressor, you can put your suppressor on it. Magazine release right here. You just reach up with your finger, hit the magazine that falls out of the gun. Magazines drop right out. That's always nice. Charging handle, I'm the only one here, okay? So charging handle is here. Not bad at all. Now, the charging handle, it says in the instructions and all the stuff online that you can move it to the right-hand side of the gun. So if you're a lefty, this thing switches over. And I'm sure there's going to be a video somewhere out there on how to do that, how to switch that over. But let's talk about the grip real quick on the gun. It's a rubber grip, very comfortable when you grab it. It does have your finger groove here at the top. And it's actually really smooth right up here when you grab the pistol. There's not anything digging or hitting into your hand. Very comfortable and it's clear. So let's check the trigger. Whoa, That has got a really, really light trigger pull in this thing. Check this out. Now, I just barely touched it. There is no take up. Look at that. Let me get a little closer here for you. There's no take up in that trigger at all. When I apply pressure to it, it just snaps. It's got very little over travel in it. Let's see if we can let you see the over travel. So here we go. We're going to apply pressure. Here we go. You see how short that is before it breaks? It is such a smooth trigger on it, you don't actually feel it at all as you pull it. Gosh, you don't feel the break. You don't feel anything in it. It's just the same tension all the way through. That is a phenomenal trigger on that thing. I have never experienced a trigger like that from a factory gun, especially at this price point. Now, I like my triggers really light on guns, but I know a lot of people don't like that. And I think for maybe a new shooter, it'd take a little getting used to that really light trigger on the gun. But I do like it. And let's look at the reset on it real quick. Here's the reset. So no sound in the reset at all. It just slides right back forward to reset. Let's look at the safety on the gun. Look how large that safety is on here for you to hit. So here's our safety. And safety is on. It's on safe. It will not fire. And you just reach up with your thumb and hit it, and it comes right off safe. Extremely big. It's in a great place. Easy to get to for your hand. Not in the way as you grip the pistol. It's above you. Pops on, goes off. Really nice that it goes upward to go off, so you can just hit it and it's off. I really do like the handguard on this gun. That is super nice also. If you shoot steel challenge, you want to grip it and you want your index finger pointing towards the steel. So you've got enough room to grab it and actually do that with the gun here. So the ARMSCOR Rock Armory TM22 long rifle. So there we go. Super nice. They did a good job with the gun. Very solid. Everything on the gun is really smooth. So I'm not like grabbing anything that's sharp or grabbing my fingers or digging into my hands at all. The stock they have on the gun is actually really nice. I do like that. I think this is going to be a really nice gun. I hope this thing runs as good as it looks and as good as it feels in the hands. Let's go out and do some shooting with it and have some fun. Be a responsible adult. Don't push responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Take care, folks.